Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell.
Electric bulb, Thomas Alva Edison.
Radio, Marconi.
Airplane, Wright brothers.
Television, John Logie Baird.
Computer, Charles Babbage.
Printing press, Johannes Gutenberg.
Steam engine, James Watt.
Battery, Alessandro Volta.
Dynamite, Alfred Nobel.
Penicillin, Alexander Fleming.
X-ray, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen.
World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee.
Diesel engine, Rudolf Diesel.
Telephone exchange, Almond Brown Strowger.
Fountain pen, Louis Waterman.
Safety razor, King Camp Gillette.
Ballpoint pen, Laszlo Biro.
Sewing machine, Elias Howe.
Telegraph, Samuel Morse.
Radar, Robert Watson Watt.
Helicopter, Igor Sikorsky.
Jet engine, Frank Whittle.
Refrigerator, James Harrison.
Cotton gin, Eli Whitney.
Microscope, Antony van Leeuwenhoek.
Telescope, Galileo Galilei.
Vaccination, Edward Jenner.
Periodic table, Dmitry Mendeleev.
Theory of relativity, Albert Einstein.
Air conditioner, Willis Carrier.
Elevator safety brake, Elisha Otis.
Gramophone, Emil Berliner.
Photography film, George Eastman.
Typewriter, Christopher Latham Scholes.
Submarine, John Philip Holland.
Parachute, André Jacques Garnerin.
Mechanical calculator, Blaise Pascal.
Steam locomotive, George Stephenson.
Vaccination for rabies, Louis Pasteur.
Nuclear reactor, Enrico Fermi.
Laser, Theodore Maiman.
Mobile phone, Martin Cooper.
Personal computer, Steve Wozniak.
Laptop computer, Adam Osborne.
ATM machine, John Shepard Barron.
Electric motor, Michael Faraday.